Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Valora crypto wallet application on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser as you will need to install an Android emulator to run the Android version of the application on your PC. Now BlueStacks is a popular Android emulator which works on most systems. So type in bluestacks.com in the address bar and press enter. Now right from this homepage, you can click on Download BlueStacks 10 and this will download the installer. Once the file is downloaded, you can simply open it and scroll through the next buttons and this will install the BlueStacks emulator on your system. Once it is installed, you can simply open it up and this will take you into your Android home screen. Now from your home screen, simply open up the Google Play Store and you might be asked to log into your account if you're opening it up for the first time. Now after you sign in, simply type in Valora Crypto in the search box and then start the search. Now once you find the application, you can simply click on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Valora crypto wallet application on your PC. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and when you see the open button, you can simply tap on it to open up the app. And now you can sign up to create a new account or log into your existing account and start using the Valora crypto wallet application from your PC. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Valora crypto wallet application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.